It's this in Romans 5:8. Sabi doon, while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Tayo ay makasalanan, tayo ay maraming ginagawa na hindi ka nais-nais. Pero pinili ng Diyos na mahalin ka. He chose to love you and me. Maybe in this world, tingin mo, walang pumipili sa'yo. No, walang may gustong sumama sa'yo. You're alone, or maybe you have some friends, but have you really experienced this kind of love? This love that is saying, ikaw panindigan kita. God showed His love. Hindi niya lang sinabi, pwede naman yan, sabihin yan eh. Nandun siya sa heaven o sisigaw siya. Or kahit bumulong siya, maririnig natin ng Diyos. Sabi niya, I love you. Maririnig natin siya. Pero hindi lang yun ang ginawa niya. Siya'y nagkatawang tao, pumunta siya dito. Pinakita niya ang pagmamahal niya on the cross. He gave His life because He loves you. Lahat ng sakit, lahat ng suffering, lahat ng punishment on the cross, okay lang. Sabi niya, nung naisip ka na, I do not know all your names, but God knows. While walking to the cross, He was thinking of you. Lahat ng sakit, sabi niya, paninindigan ko para sa iyo. Paninindigan kita. And now my question is,